Building a mobile app? One decision matters more than you think. Native or hybrid? Let's break it down. Native apps are built specifically for one platform, like iOS with Swift or Android with Kotlin. They deliver superior performance, speed, and responsiveness. Native apps offer the best user experience, aligning perfectly with platform design guidelines. Direct access to device features like camera, GPS, and Face ID is seamless. They are also generally more secure and ideal for complex features and long-term growth. However, native apps cost more, requiring separate builds for each platform. Hybrid apps use one codebase for multiple platforms, built with frameworks like Flutter or React Native. They are faster to develop, with one build working everywhere. Hybrid apps offer lower upfront costs, perfect for startups and MVPs. While performance is good, it's not as strong as native. Complex animations might be slightly slower. They look consistent across platforms, but might not feel fully native. Maintenance is easier. Fix once, update everywhere. Hybrid apps are great for MVPs, internal tools, and budget-conscious projects. Choose native for performance, security, and scalability. Choose hybrid for speed and cost efficiency. Not sure which is right for your business? Talk to our mobile experts. Book a call today.